Okay, look, if you're feeling completely stressed out right now because you can't find your Florida Medicaid card, I need you to take a deep breath. You are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the ultimate practical explainer on how to solve this exact issue step by step. We're going to get your proof of coverage restored without all the usual administrative headache.
Because it's a terrible feeling, right? Losing your Florida Medicaid card is way more than just a minor inconvenience. It can honestly turn into a real emergency fast. Without that physical proof of your active coverage in hand, doctors often literally can't bill for their services. Your specialist appointments might just get canceled, and your local pharmacy, well, they can't fill your essential prescriptions. We completely get how anxiety-inducing that is, and that's exactly why we're going to fix it today.
So here's our agenda for today. 1. Intro to Florida Medicaid. 2. Reasons for card replacement. 3. Step-by-step replacement guide. 4. Where to find help. 5. Frequently asked questions. And 6. Resources and official disclaimers. Let's dive right in.
Section 1. Intro to Florida Medicaid. Understanding the system. Before we actually replace your card, it really helps to know how your benefits function in the real world. Behind the scenes sits a massive database called FLMMIS that stands for the Florida Medicaid Management Information System. Basically, it's the ultimate gatekeeper. Your card connects directly to this system. If it says your status is inactive, providers cannot deliver care, even if you have a stack of paperwork pending. That physical or digital card is literally your key to proving to the system that you're actively covered.
Just to put the sheer scale of this program into perspective for a second, back in late 2018, over 3.8 million Floridians were enrolled in Medicaid, with over 3 million of those folks in managed medical assistance. The absolutely crucial point here is that you are not alone in dealing with this massive state bureaucracy. Millions of people are navigating this exact system, and honestly, thousands of people lose their cards every single year.
Moving on to Section 2. Reasons for card replacement. Why you need a new one.
So there are quite a few completely acceptable reasons to request a replacement. The most common ones are that the card was just simply lost, it got completely damaged or unreadable in the wash, it never arrived in the mail after you were approved, or maybe you've had a name or address change. But please pay close attention to this next part. If your card was stolen, you need to act urgently. A stolen Medicaid card is a massive identity fraud risk, because someone else could try to use your identification number to get medical services under your name.
All right, Section 3, Step-by-Step Replacement Guide, your action plan.
To successfully get your new card, you have to realize that Florida operates a bifurcated system. Basically, it completely depends on which card you actually lost. If you lost the standard Florida Medicaid Gold card, that whole process is handled by the Department of Children and Families, or DCF. But if you're like most recipients, you're probably in a managed care plan, like Sunshine Health or Humana. If you lost that specific plan card, you can't go to DCF. You absolutely must contact your specific plan's Member Services Department directly. Now, if you are replacing that standard DCF card, you've got 3 main options. Step 1 is the My Access portal online. Let me tell you, this is by far the absolute fastest method. You can literally log in 24/7. Step 2 is calling the DCF Customer Center directly, which is a great option if you don't have internet access right now. And Step 3 is visiting a local DCF or community partner office in person to request that replacement face-to-face.
At the end of the day, remember that maintaining your official documentation is what ensures you don't experience a sudden, scary interruption in your medical appointments or your vital prescription refills. Whether you decide to go online, call them up, or visit in person, taking action right away is critical to keeping that continuous care flowing.
Section 4. Where to find help, direct contacts.
Okay, seriously? Grab a pen or open a Notes app on your phone right now, because here is the exact, verified contact information you're going to need. Write this down, 1-866-762-2237. That is the primary Florida DCF customer call center number to dial to get a replacement over the phone. And if you are hearing impaired, you can use the Florida Relay service by dialing 711 or 1-800-955-8771. So where exactly do you go from here? Digitally speaking, you want the official My Access Florida website. If you're with a managed care provider, look for their specific mobile app. A lot of them actually offer instant digital ID cards right there on your phone. And if you're someone who prefers a physical location, you can definitely visit local branches. For example, there's the DCF Customer Service Center on South Broad Street down in Brooksville, Florida, or you can just search online for DCF community partners in your specific county.
Moving to Section 5, Frequently Asked Questions, Immediate Concerns. Now I know what you're probably asking yourself right this second. Okay, I requested the replacement, but how long is this new card actually going to take to arrive?
Well, I'll give it to you straight. It typically takes about 2 to 3 weeks to receive a physical replacement card in the mail. That's just the standard processing and mailing time for the state. It's super important to set realistic expectations regarding this mail delay, just so you aren't out there checking the mailbox every single day in a total panic.
But of course, that brings up the absolute most critical question of all. What if you literally have a doctor's appointment today, or you desperately need to pick up a vital prescription this afternoon, and there is no way you can wait 2 to 3 weeks? Well, here is a brilliant workaround that can quite literally save your appointment from being canceled. Just log into your My Access account online. From there, you can actually download your proof of eligibility and print out a temporary Medicaid card right from your home printer. You take that printed sheet directly to your doctor or your pharmacist, and boom, you have digital proof of coverage immediately. It's a total game changer.
And finally, Section 6, Resources and Official Disclaimers. Wrapping up.
Look, as we wrap up, please remember to only use verified official channels. Scammers absolutely love to target people looking for government benefits. You should only ever enter your sensitive medical and financial data on the official My Access Florida website, the official Florida DCF website, or your specific managed care plan's verified member portal. Stay safe out there. And of course, just a quick professional disclaimer before we go. Government policies, eligibility requirements, and these administrative procedures can and do change. While this explainer is based squarely on official Florida Medicaid and DCF source materials, always make sure to consult official government sources or legal advisors to independently verify your specific situation. I really want to leave you with this one provocative thought. Are you fully prepared if a medical emergency happens tomorrow and you don't have your card on you? Seriously, don't wait for a crisis to strike. If you've lost your card, let this explainer be the exact push you need today. Log into My Access right now, print that temporary card, and request your official physical replacement. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, stay healthy out there.